Continuing with the daily stand-up meeting, let us talk about who is involved and when it is conducted in this slide. First of all, who is involved? The development team, the Scrum Master, and the product owner participate in the stand-up meeting, and the meeting is facilitated by the Scrum Master. Attendees typically participate while standing. The discomfort of standing for long periods is intended to keep the meeting short. Now let us talk about when the meeting is conducted. This meeting is conducted in every 24 hours and is lasted for 15 minutes or less. Members may meet afterwards for more detailed discussion about the design or the impediments or about anything else that is necessary for the sprint progress.